Morning students. Today our topic is on plant life. In this topic we are going to learn what are the features of the plant and what are the parts of the plant. Now let's go into our topic. So children, there are different types of plants in this world. In that there are of different types of flowers, fruits, vegetables. They are in different shape and sizes, means they have different feature of a particular plant. In this class we will discuss about different features and different parts of the plant. We all know that the plant is a living thing. Plants also require water, air, sunlight, food and etc. We will see the different parts of the plant in a photo now. Before that, the plant that is called a total plant, the plant which is below the ground, this is called as ground. The plant which is below the ground is called as root system, and the plant which is above the ground is called as shoot system. What I say children, the plant which is below the ground is called as root system, and the plant which is above the ground is called as shoot system. Now let's see the part of a plant. You can see children, the bottom part hairy like structure. You can see here the bottom part hairy like structure. It is called as secondary root or lateral root. It is called as secondary root or lateral root. It is called as secondary root or lateral root. And the upper part you can see this is called as a primary root. The down part, the below part is called as secondary root or lateral root, and the upper part, this part is called as a primary root. From the primary root, the lateral roots are coming outside. From this primary root children, the lateral roots are coming outside. Now coming to the above the ground, this is the above ground now. Now we will learn about this one. You can observe the stem. The middle part of the plant is called as a stem. And next one is node. This one is called as a node children. This is form of a stem, a tiny branches coming out. This is called a node children. This is form of a stem, a tiny branches coming out of the root. From the root a tiny branches are coming out. These tiny branches are called as node. Now this is leaf, this is fruit, and this is the flower. And you can observe the bud here. You can observe a small buds here, right? Bud is nothing but a compact growth on plant that develop into a leaf or a flower. Before going to a leaf or a flower, before growth of a leaf or a flower, a bud will form to the plant. That bud is called this one children. These are all the parts of the plant. This is called a shoot system, and this is called as a root system, and these are the parts of the plant. This is called a secondary root or a lateral root. This is called a primary root. From the primary root, secondary root will come outside. If anyone asks what are the parts of the plant in a shoot system, you must answer they are flower, fruits, stem, leaf, node as well as bud. And what are the parts of the plant in root system children now? First one is primary root, secondary root is also known as lateral root. So children, today we have learned about the plant, parts of the plant in shoot and root system. So in the next class we will learn about all the parts of the plant. So all these parts of the plant in detail with neat explanation. So see you in the next class. Thank you.